how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. First of all, head over to any web browser. In the search bar, search for temporarily deactivate Instagram. Head over to the very first site. Right here, tap on Instagram.com. You need to log into your Instagram account. Once you are logged in, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. And then tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down to the bottom and there you will see the option where it says that temporarily deactivate my account. Tap on it. Right here you need to state the reason why you want to deactivate your account. You can choose whichever option that you want. Let me just select this option. Now scroll down and tap on this duration. You can just tap on Don't Auto Reactivate. And then right here enter the password of your Instagram for the confirmation. And once you tap on temporarily deactivate account, your account will be successfully deactivated. Once you deactivate your account, you can reactivate your account anytime you want just by logging to your Instagram account. So this is it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. I really hope this video is gonna help you out. Thank you for watching it till the end.